that you need to warn people about. Because if you've had children in your life and you've done all that I just said, and your children are your life, first of all, they should not be your life. They should be an important part, like top notch. But number one is you. Well, first of all, number one is God. Number two is you taking care of yourself so that you can take care of others. And then, and that doesn't mean be selfish. That just means you've got to take care of yourself if you're going to take care of others. But also your marriage, and because one day the kids move out and they all but forget about you, and that's because you did a good job. You made them able to go out in the world, and they are, and they know you're there in the background somewhere, but they have moved on, and that is part of life. It is very hard to reckon with at first, though. So, what I'm saying is, I feel like I'm going to choke again. Hold, please. This is what happened a while ago, and I choked so bad that I had to start over filming. I think it really is those nuts, the little residuals of nuts that you get in your throat once you have... Okay, it just cleared. Okay, so what was I going to do? Y'all, it is bothering me so bad that I cannot find that little brush. I would so like to find it with you here with me and us finding it together, you know? Oh, look, I found this little... You put these on the back of a phone. I should make that part of a package, giveaway package. Y'all, it's driving me crazy. I can't find it. It's not in here. And I know it has to be because I just dropped it. It has to be. Has that ever happened to y'all? I'm not going to stop this video until I find that brush. How about that? Huh? How about that? How about y'all are going, good gosh, has she lost her mind? I'm going to find that brush. I don't see it. That is so weird. Did it drop on the floor? I wish I could take the camera and let you look down into this drawer. It's awful. Let me just... Y'all have a drawer like that? Is it in there? Did it fall into there? Is it held on with a magnet or something? Where's there a magnet? Oh, that is a magnet. Hey, maybe... But it's probably made of plastic. Hey, look. Look. Batteries, correctors. Do y'all have drawers like this? Look. Makeup samples. What else in here? Oh, looky here. Does that work? Oh, it does. Look, it's a little light. Oh, you poke it itself. That's great to have in your purse. Wait a minute. Maybe I should use that and find this thing. Y'all's gonna drive me crazy. Absolutely crazy until I find it. I am going to find it. Oh, look, I found some Louis Vuitton ribbon. That's really cool when you get a Louis Vuitton. Hold on to that ribbon that they wrap the outer thing in. Because, y'all, seriously, I just found a little tweezers from Tweezerman. These are so expensive, and it's been in there. It should be in my purse. Y'all, where is that brush? Some of you are like, okay, Beth, I'm going to move on now. I'm going to find that brush. How can it not be right where I just dropped it? That's what's bugging me. Aw, looky here at this, y'all. A little mirror. But you know what this really is? I think it's a little powder. It is from Estee Lauder. Isn't that pretty? It has a little jewel on the end, a little ruby jewel, and it says cheers on the top. That was my mother's signature thing. She would always say is cheers at the end of a conversation. I need to start doing that in her honor, shouldn't I? Oh, I need one of these. I love these, y'all. Do y'all love these? This is Oral-B's. These things are so thin. They can get between your teeth, and then it also has on the other end a floss. Absolutely incredible. Where is that stinking brush? Look. More samples. Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Look at all this stuff. I cannot believe I have lost this truly. It's not lost. I am going to find this thing. If I have to take everything out. I wonder what was in here. I poked a little Tweezerman. Is that where he was? Down in there? He didn't stay in there very good, so that shows you. Oh, look. This is a little umbrella, but I got this in one of those little packs. And it's one of those little sample packs, and it is like this. It's a corrector pen. Driving me crazy. Where is that stinking thing? Where is it? Where is it? Look what I have in there. Yankee Candle. I love them. It's a little pair of scissors that go down so that you can, look, so that you can cut the wick down in a deep candle when it's gone really far down and not burn your hand. Of course, you don't do that while it's lit. You do that before you ever light it. Packs of batteries, Scotch tape, a magnifying glass. As you get older, yes, you need it. So much stuff. I cannot believe, oh my gosh, look, another Louis Vuitton ribbon.